Hi there. This is Rob Telson, Vice President of Global Sales here at Celos. For the PCBWay team, thank you very much for your interest in the Celos design platform. What I want to today is demonstrate to you very quickly the Celos design platform. And as you can see here, as I point right here, what you'll notice is this is the login page when a user comes to the Celos design platform. They have their username and they're able to create a project from scratch, or they're allowed to use one of our featured projects. And what we'd like to see is PCBWay become a partner and potentially put some featured projects sponsored by PCBWay. They would be called a smart pen sponsored by PCBWay, or smart thermostat sponsored by PCBWay. But as I press play here, you'll notice that we're going to create a new project from scratch with the platform. And we're going to use the Celos Design Assistant. And using the Celos Design Assistant, I say, why don't we build a smart thermostat? And you'll see here, we start to build that by typing in what we want to build. Or let's add a coin battery or power the DC to DC. And it adds that for you. And what you'll see as we add it, that maybe we want to add something else, like clear the canvas, and maybe we have a picture of the design that we'd like to see. So we can upload this image, a whiteboard or a drawing, into the platform, as you can see, and it recognizes the components that should be there. Once you have the canvas, the design canvas and the components, you can select which components are best to represent the microcontroller or any other component. As you can see here, we have an AI assistant called QBot. You can ask that AI assistant questions, and it will help you select the right products for your design. Here we're selecting one of the alternatives that it recommends. And once we go through the design, we resolve any issues using the AI. And then the output of that is generating the files, the project files, as we do here. And that way you can look at your design in more detail. You can see the specific components that have been used for that design, including the schematic. And that's a little demo on the Celos design platform. Thank you.